It feels like I wasn't supposed to do that.
But anyways, I just wanted to make a quick update. I'm re-uploading this video. I had to delete it because I feel like nobody wanted to watch it because the beginning was way too boring, and I get that, but I feel like I have to re-upload it because it kind of fits really well in the timeline with the E46 videos. I explained in the beginning that I got an E90 328 Xi from the auction. I got it because I wanted to fix it up and resell it because, to be honest, I need money to make the E46 turbo build. Unfortunately, as much as I wish it did, the 5 to 10 loyal subscribers that I have on here that actually watch the videos aren't paying for the E46 turbo to get done. So it only makes sense to show the E90 here, show something that I did to fix it. And then I also wanted to give you guys a little update on the E46. I'm making a video right after this where I'm gonna redo the front end. That means new rotors and brakes and new wheel bearings. The wheel bearings is the reason that I needed to kind of mess with the front end because that wheel sounds like it's gonna fall off when you're driving. The brake video is actually gonna be extremely interesting because this is the best front brake upgrade I've seen for an E46 because everyone that you see online is gonna say, get the 135 Brembos or whatever. They're not even that much bigger than this, and these should work extremely good for like, I think it was $300, $400 total. Compared to every other video talking about 1,000 is cheap for brakes. But anyways, please watch this video. I thought it was really funny, and it actually shows you guys an insane way to restore headlights. It's my favorite way that I've found so far because it's easy, cheap, and it's lasted. Every one that I've done it on still looks perfect. And it's not like I'm gonna send bombs to everybody who doesn't watch the entire video and like it and subscribe. But yeah, I hope you guys like it. Okay, I got too excited and I forgot to film, but we masked off the headlights. So all you're gonna need to do this is you're gonna need some 2K clear from Amazon. It's 20 bucks. And then you're gonna need a plastic sheet from Harbor Freight, masking tape, and I think that's it. So to start off, you're gonna wanna mask the headlights. We already did that. It's not perfect. You can see some spots over here. You just wanna get all the paint covered. Ours didn't turn out perfect, but I'm not tweaking over it. But anyways, get the headlights masked off, and then you're gonna sand them with 600 grit, 1500 grit, and 3000. And then we're gonna spray them with some of this. So I forgot to mention, but I like to get the headlight wet with a wet rag. It just makes it a little easier to sand. So starting off with the 600, hit it until you get the whole thing, and then move on to the 1500. And if you sand in one direction the whole time, it's gonna make it a lot easier to get the old scratches out. And then hit it with the 3000 after those two. But I just wanted to add with the sandpaper too, don't put too much pressure on it. You just kind of want to let it stick itself with the water on there, and you can feel it get smoother and smoother when you get the imperfections and kind of the haziness out of there. But yeah, that's the basic rundown on the sandpaper. It's super easy. You're gonna want to clean them off super good so that none of this like dust stuff stays on there while you're trying to spray them. So I take rubbing alcohol and rub them down super good. And then we can fix these little spots that came up because they got wet and spray them. You're gonna have like a hazy finish like that. And ideally you would want to use a tack cloth right before you spray it and in between coats, but mine got thrown away. So I'm just gonna spray it. It's not that big of a deal. Also, this stuff has a lot of chemicals in it. So use a respirator and try to do it outside. I would, but it's outside right now. But yeah, if you look at the directions, we're gonna wanna shake it for, and then you take this little cap piece, put it in the bottom, and then do that. And it should mix everything else into it. Take it for like 2 minutes. So yeah, the first coat, make sure you go super light. And then the second coat, you can do a lot heavier. Make sure also test out the spray pattern before. Yeah, it's good. So this is actually my first time driving the car. I just wanted to take it out. We've given the headlights at least 5 minutes to cure. So I just wanted to be able to take it out and show you guys kind of a real world testing it, driving it. Maybe we'll take it on some dirt roads. I can't remember where this spot's at. Weiss? Anyways, we'll see you guys when we get to the spot. So I'm glad we were able to show you guys that these headlights will hold up like this. It's not something that's just going to rub off, and it looks really good, as you can see.
My car! Somebody messed up my car! Some teenagers messed up my car!
But in reality, thank you guys for watching this. I hope this did help a couple people to be able to get your headlights looking clear instead of foggy. And yeah, and I just want to say thank you to the 4 people who actually watched these. I promise one of these days we will turbo the E46.